go. This is well.
Talk to them, like we have to take the permissions, then go inside.
And we choose this beautiful hotel, and we want to represent this hotel to the international students. Can you please get in and make a video if you assist?
Yeah, it's okay. Yeah.
It's okay?
Yes.
Okay, nice to meet you.
Thank you so much.
How about the guest rooms? How many guest rooms do you guys provide?
We have 477 guest rooms. Bedroom we have 19.
And can you just a little bit explanation about your room types?
Room types, but you can see this person. You guys had any specific time of check-in and check-out? Our regular check-in time is from 3 p.m. But the guests, if they come more earlier, then we can check about the early check-in. And our check-out time is from 11.
Is this hotel about 24-hour business center?
Yes, we can use computer if the guests want. We can open the separate lounge, and they can use computer or others.
And do you have any like branded shops over here?
Branded shops?
I think
Yeah, this way it's all connected with department store. There's a few shops on the way to department store. Yeah.
okay.
And
And
the branded one too.
lastly, I want to add like, what if a disabled person come? So do disabled person comes? Do you have any facilities for them, like wheelchair or anything?
Yes.
Yeah.
Yeah, it's our hotel building, but they rent the place and they doing their job.
So you guys also have a service for the disabled people, right?
Yes.
Okay, thank you so much for this thing. I hope we can see ourselves in the next.
Thank you so much.
Two things I find out that could be improved in the future, which is front desk. For the first timer, it could be invisible for the person because the front desk is not visible from the entrance. And the second thing is the digital advertising billboard, which is only in the Korean because for the international customer, it could be irrelevant. There's a lot of things which is attractive that I would like to talk about, which is have 2 heaters on the main entrance gate. And in this cold weather, people can have warm wave when they are entering to the hotel. As you can see, have a beautiful view on the lobby. The scenery is amazing for the first timer and also for those person who have visited multiple times. And in the lifts, elevator, have also information about which floor have which one. Just like first floor have restaurants, and also have a bar. As we can see, also have bakery, and lastly, also have jewelry shop on the first floor. The interior design is amazing. And on the second floor, also have convenience store and also the buffet. On the third floor, also have a waiting ceremony places. And finally, on the 5th floor, have a small, tiny gym around. It could be small, but have every facilities in this gym. And finally, this hotel have cinema center, the medical center, and also it's connected with the Lotte Adventure Park. So people can also have access from this to the hotel. And lastly, I would like to say this place is amazing. Everyone should visit there.